Good morning, dear students. Welcome to St. Mary English High School. Hope you all are good and fine at your home. Dear student, today I'm going to start the new chapter. Before I start this chapter, I would like to give the short introduction to you all, which will help you to understand the concept of this lesson. This lesson is about Kabaddi match, an outdoor sport which originated in India and is now popular in many countries of the world. The lesson begins with a school sports meet through which the rules and strategy of the games are shared with the leaders. The abstract also highlights the qualities displayed by the winning team spirit, confidence, right strategy, etc. The lessons goes on to talk about the rules of the games and ends with the qualities essential to excel in this game. Dear student, this was the short introduction which help you to understand the concept. Now, dear student, this chapter is very lengthy, very long, so I have divided into two parts. This is the first part which I'm going to explain you today, and the second part I'm explain in our second video. Here I start the chapter lesson number 1.5, class 6 English textbook. A kabaddi match. The school sports meet for the schedule next month. The practice match had already begun. Now in the school sport has started and every student is started for practice. The schedule was planned for how and which game is going to play. Ninth B were the favorites as they had strong player in their teams. Now in this paragraph 9b has mentioned as the favorites team because it was very strong players in their team. The kabaddi trials were on. The practice of kabaddi and trial has on this year. There were three new students in class A. Now in class A there were three new students who is going to participate in kabaddi match. To everyone's surprise, they proved to be outstanding players. To everyone's surprise, they have proved to be a strong player, good player. Ninth A Hope scored. Now in the first paragraph, the two team is you can see ninth B and ninth A class. Let's move to the second paragraph. When the match started, all the spectators clapped and boosted the morale of the both team. Spectator means the audience, which motivate the players who comes to watch the game has motivate and clap to the players. 9A won the toss and sent their riders. Now first 9th A have won the toss and sent their rider. The rider who was going to play was Govind. He was so sweet that before the offenders realized, he was so fast that the opposition of the player realized that he is going to come. He has touched the Suresh from ninth B and was already heading home a point for score. As the opposite team realized that he will come and out, suddenly he has a show so fast that he came and out and scored the team for his team. Ravi from ninth B was a very strong player. Now in this team ninth B, Ravi is a student who is a very strong player. He alone was sufficient to catch hold of any player. He is sufficient, only one he is sufficient who can out anyone else from any team. He was having special trick. By using that trick he can out to anyone. So he so tightly in between his legs twists like a scissor that released oneself from his grip was next to impossible. So he was having so special trick. He put the player between his leg and cross his leg like a scissor and tied so griply that no one can come out from his grip. This special trick he was using while playing kabaddi match. All the players were literally afraid from him. Now every player was afraid from Ravi that he is a very good player and he can out anyone. This ex player had won many matches. Now here this ex player, ex means many matches he has played and he has very experience of winning the match. So here in this paragraph it's saying that this ex player had won many matches for 9b. For 9b he has won many matches with the support of Mohan and Vinod. 9b were unbeatable. Now with the support of his friend was Mohan, and Vinod, who was playing with the team of 9b, was unbeatable. With the help of them they were playing very nicely, and till today they have not defeated a taste. Only they have taste of victory. So with this 9b strong team they have won all the matches. Now let's move further. Now Mangesh from ninth A was a strong. He was a good match for Ravi. Now, here in this paragraph, Mangesh is a student. He was also playing kabaddi match very nicely. So, it is a good competitor for Ravi. Ravi was relaxed as he had never demanded for any strong opposition from any team. Till yet, he has not seen any strong player who will play with him. When Mangesh was vested down by Ravi and his friend, everyone in the spectators thought that 9A would lose Mangesh. Now, when Ravi threw on the ground to Mangesh, so everybody was shocked. Now, everybody was shocked that now Mangesh is going to become out and lose the match and out from the match. But Mangesh proved his mettle. He was on the ground with the anti riders catching hold of his wrist and leg, but the opposite team lay them down, lay Mangesh to down and catch his leg and hands and not allowing them Mangesh to move further. But what happened? Mangesh have a special trick. He used his mind, and what he has done, he slowly inches himself. Inches means move towards something very slowly, like and walk very slowly. So here he inches towards his coat. All the anti-rider with all their might were trying their best to pull him back. Now everyone was trying, opposite team 9B, to pull Mangesh backside and not allowing to touch the line. But with the great determination and the hard work by putting Mangesh was putting, so what he has done, he without determination, losing his breath, Mangesh successfully touched the middle line. There were chair in there, and slowly with the hard effort, the Mangesh has slowly touched the middle line, and they our team were cheer up because he has saved himself and he also scored 3 point. How he has scored 3 point? Let students see further. He had not only saved himself but was also able to score 3 points for his team, as Ravi, Mohan, and Ajinkya, who were holding him, were also declared out because when he was playing, Mangesh was playing the game, Ajinkya, Mohan, Ravi had catch him, and it is the rule. If anybody catch in kabaddi, and if the player had touched the middle line, all declare out. So this way Mangesh has self himself and score 3 point for his team. Dear student, hope you all understood this first part. Now second part I will explain in the second video. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.